So only some 3 months are remaining, sorry, 30 days are remaining, and you can consider roughly 35 days are remaining. So this advice is only for the self-study students, because already students are enrolled into the different coaching centers, or in my coaching centers they are having some mentors, and they are doing good, definitely. But students who are into self-study, they should follow this strategy. And last advice, last moment advice, I'll be keep on uploading videos. One very important thing, some students, even from my coaching center, actually they are solving like something which is not useful. Not useful in the sense, anyway all the numericals are useful, but it depends in which time span, what kind of study material you are following. So right now, if some self-study students are solving or learning anything new, and they are completing the numericals, so actually come to the practical background. If you are learning something new, so in 30 days you have to practice that also. And at the same time, when in the classroom, I mean in the GATE exam, that kind of question will come or not, this is one thing. And if questions comes from the same portion what you are learning very new just before 30 days, you'll be able to recall that logic in the exam or not. It depends what kind of student you are. If you think that you are a kind of a good student, and if something you are learning recently and you know how to apply the concepts, or even after some 10 to 15 examples you are able to apply the concept immediately in the new coming questions, then really very good. Because you know, GATE exam is not like a university regular questions. You'll be having questions where you have to think well. So I hope you understand. You should not study anything new. Then what should you do in this free time? Whatever you have learned, on that you practice previous year questions, you practice test series. I will highly advise you not to solve any new question or not to study any new thing just before 30 days of exams. There are some people, they prepare just before 30 days. They start their preparation just before 30 days, 50 days, like that. So in that case, you have to study everything. So my guidance is not for that kind of students. My guidance is for kind of pattern wise students. So in the last moment, you should only revise whatever notes you have taken. Suppose you are thinking that, just an example, 2D vibration you have not done yet, then I will advise don't do that. Because from 2D vibration, if you are learning any concept, see, I am saying don't do that. It does not mean that you don't have anything else to do. If you are only remaining with 2D vibration, for example, you have done all the concepts, you have done all the assignments, you have done all the test series, and all useful things you have already covered. Now 30 days you are totally, now for 30 days you are totally sitting idle, nothing to do. In that case, definitely it is your duty to cover more syllabus. But if some more fundamental things are important, then first you focus on that. And especially this is the right time to categorize. Otherwise, every single day, it's not like you are learning, it's like you are missing. It's not like you are growing, it's like you are losing. So every single day, be very careful, don't do anything new. But again, I'm saying if you don't have anything else to do, like for example, some students may be thinking, okay, let's practice 50 integration questions. No, why are you practicing 50 integration questions? If you are not good at integration, you will not be able to solve integration problem in GATE exam. Again, I'm saying 1 or 2 students, they are super genius. This video is not for them. This video is for general type of students, okay, who learn things by work, who learn things by hard work. They practice and then they understand. So for that kind of students, special advice, don't do anything new. Then what should you do? And I'm damn sure that all the topics and all the formulas and all the concepts are not on your fingertips, whatever you have covered from last so many months of, consider 1 year or 2 years. So if you are preparing for 1 year, you have prepared all the notes and all, then every day you should have capacity to revise the complete, like all subjects in 1 day. If you are not capable of that thing, then first you improve this part. You should be, when in my time, when I was preparing that GATE exam, then I slowly I improved, and I got the potential to revise entire syllabus in 1 day. Because anyway, before GATE exam, you should have this capacity to revise all the content in 1 day. In my coaching also, to all my students, I advise the same, that right now whatever you have done, whatever I was guiding you as a teacher, now that day gone. Now I have to advise you like a trick play, how to understand, right? Now don't consider me as a teacher or something. I am advising you like, okay, do this, do that, do this, do that. Okay. For some people, it may sound totally illogical, but now I want to play on practical background. What is your personal situation? Okay. I hope you are taking this in positive way. Don't say that sir is saying not to do this, not to do that. No, no, no. You do everything whatever you want. But again, in this 30 days, you have to pattern. If you will not pattern your academics, then everything will give you a negative feedback. In these 30 days, you should grow only in these kind of things like, okay, revision part. For example, are you ready with every single formula of potential flow? Not ready yet, correct? Then this is your duty, because you already know potential flow. You already know, for example, you know 1D vibration, correct? Do you know all the formulas of 1D vibration? Then what are you doing, man? First, you complete that thing 100%. What already into your notebook? What is already into your notebook? What already you're gone through? Are you comfortable with all the formulas of Laplace? Then you will say, sir, during exam I will revise. This is the right time to revise, because now you should have think that, okay, sit like this, okay, Laplace, okay, all the formulas, okay, potential flow, okay, all the formulas, okay, compressible flow, all the formulas, okay, thermodynamics, all the formulas, okay, fluid mechanics, all formulas, okay. Like this you have to. If anywhere you're lagging that, okay, in structure I'm okay with torsion, I'm not okay with bending, I'm not okay with shear or something, first you do that. Don't study new things, right? I hope, and especially this this thing will help you. And when the exam will come near, like before 10 days or before 15 days, I'll be giving you some more like what and like tricks and tips, like what to do, what not to do in the exam hall. Because that 3 hours, in the last 20 minutes, 30 minutes, for many students, it used to be like panic. I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times. I'm helping students to crack GATE exam in my own coaching center. So, and one more thing, if you are watching for the first time, you go through the description and all the gifts are there as a video link. Go through that. Okay. And now last thing, see, if you have no money for the test series, try to arrange, get test series somehow, if you believe in test series. If not, I'm not saying only from me, from anywhere, because test series will give you some kind of exposure. So test series is important. Personally, if you see, like if you say to me that, sir, like personally, see, I create test series. I ask my students to practice test series, but personally, I don't believe in test series format, because I believe that if you are okay with the concepts, then question, whatever question is there, that is either in assignment form, or that is in test series format, or that is in example format. If you know the concept, you can crack the question. But there are many students, they don't understand concepts from the theory itself. They need some examples, they need some so actually, I mean to say, there are so many varieties of students. For some type of students, test series, that may help. Okay, so if you are also that type of student that you are learning from the questions, in that case test series plays very important role. Okay, that's all. Anything else I want to? That's all. I am really working about my research program. I am learning CFD, and because I have not taken CFD in my UG level, and here professors are really fabulous. They are amazing. Like I can't say the word fabulous, amazing, because you know IIT professors, like they like it's up to us how much we can take from them, and they are ready to explain everything. Whatever doubts I used to ask, they used to reply me, and they used to give really enough space, like you can talk to them in positive way, like whatever doubts you have, you can ask in the classroom also, like they used to reply. So my experience at IIT Dharwad is really amazing. All the professors are like, currently I have taken 3 courses. Like I am taking CFD because I wanted to learn CFD, but in CFD ANSYS and all, and some coding part, open form, all these things are there. I'm learning. I'm very new to this, and but I'm learning. I'm really learning. And then I have taken multi-phase flow. This was very interesting, and one of the professors suggested me for the multi-phase flow. It is amazing subject, multi-phase flow. And even you guys can go multi-phase flow. MIT videos are there, and some IIT videos may be there. I have not gone through enough videos, but one of the professor, he was playing the slides in the classroom. It was amazing. And one thing I want to say you guys, if you are not good at your basics, then your master degree, you will feel that no. So you have to, it's not about GATE exam. Your basics should be really very good. And one extra suggestion, you should be good at partial differential equations. You should be good at your basic concepts of thermo and fluids. You should be good at basic concepts of, and it's not like when you are doing your MS or MTech, then it is going to be easy or tough. This is not the question. It is not about easy or tough questions. It is about, like, if you know things, but still here you are learning things, new things you are learning. And it is very green, the atmosphere is very green and everything is amazing here. So like completely, like, best I can say, IIT Dharwad is best for me. And to whom I'm meeting, so they all are having positive feedback about everything. So, and I'm about to oh yeah, one is multi-phase, and I have also taken experimental methods of thermal engineering and fluid engineering. So there we are learning when we do any kind of experiment in any field, especially for us it is thermal and fluid, then what are the instrument, how they work, sensitive elements and all those things. It is amazing course here. And that professor is also amazing. Like I have taken 3 courses and all the 3 professors, like, because only those professors I know, like whatever courses, amazing, everything is going so well. So most welcome, you guys can join this too. Process and all, you know, like for MS and take whatever admission process, you can go through websites or something, and I'll be here, I'll be guiding you in case. Yeah, okay, thank you.